Lois, I understand Superman talked her down off that ledge. Apparently, he disagrees with you.
Well, it's possible she really is desperate and alone.
Oh, you guys are a couple of sentimental softies.
Oh, really? Superman is a sentimental softy.
He's the worst one of all of you.
Chief, your son just called. Apparently Alice found out about the ski trip and he had to invite her too.
Oh, Judas Priest, we're split up. What am I supposed to do? Buy her a gift? What's the protocol on something like this?
Family's what the holidays are all about, Chief.
Ah.
You know, you must have really gotten burned.
What do you mean?
When your family started breaking up, it must have been really painful for you. I guess I am kind of a softie. But it's probably what I learned as a kid.
You know, when my father left, I thought it was because of me. And then I realized that, you know, that's just the way people are. They can make the deepest commitments to each other and even have kids, and because they're selfish and they just think of their own needs, they walk away from it all. That's what I learned as a kid.
Lois, not everyone walks away.
I hope not.
Achoo!
Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
You don't sneeze.
Not usually, no.